I have this little herd that lives on my place, mostly does and babies. They come down to get water, and this is what occurs. Belle, it's okay. Of course, Belle has stitches in her leg. She's just not okay with the dodo being here, but I've told her it's okay. Belle, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Let her drink some water. Belle, oh, she's wagging her tail. That's cute. She's like, do you want to play? Belle, you gotta be careful with your stitches. No, Belle. Good girl, Katie. Good girl. Yeah, she goes, I'm all harnessed up today. I have to behave. Girls, be good. Be good. Good girls. Good girl, Katie.